sunshine in my life with your.
What's up, y'all? So currently, it's a little breezy out here, a little cold. Just got off of work though, but it's box opening time for one of the products that just came in the mail today, which is my airbags. So, box opening time. I can't do this with one hand. Let me try.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Let me switch hands. I just get back with y'all when I open it. And open. So. And there you go. Now that I got it out, I can take out this headliner, take out the other airbags, and put that one in until the other one come in. Oh, and I got something else planned. I got something else planned for y'all with the headliner. If you guess, comment if you know what it is. So I'm gonna get this in and get with y'all. Well, the nigga really want to see if we on the way to Jack's Bets. Different day. Same video. I don't know. Here with Debo. So as you know, I was doing the airbags, and you see you already know one of them came in. So I did that one, and also the other one came in later that day. So I did this one this morning. So the roof still ain't on yet because I got something coming. Probably gonna be in the next video. So we going to Jack Specs. I'm finna go see, what they talking about. A little new little shop in Jacksonville. So I'm finna go see what they talking about and see what they could do to what they could do for me.
That you do.
I'm gonna see the address. You see me the address? I'm gonna see it. Alright, so I'll get with y'all when we get there. So what you trying to see about? What? You told them what everything you trying to see about? You go ahead. Boom. We made it to Jack Specs. This man right here trying to park. Okay, we made it to Jack Specs. We should have went over there. Okay. I'll just park right here.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Alright, so look like just came to an empty parking lot with some motorcycles. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, we finna test out a little. Finna finish these tires off a little bit. Get some more this weekend. We finna have Devo record. Let's see. Out here doing willies.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, it sound good. It sound good. Little fly vibes. It sound good. He can't really do no donuts. There you go. There you go. So that's going. Okay. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and be back with another video.